Dear customer, thank you very much for choosing LENVII. If you purchased a desktop or handheld POS devices from our store, we will register your own account and password for you. We can also provide you with your store logo, name, contact information, phone number and other information. You only need to click on the LENVII software on your device and log in. This is a special voucher customized for customers from all over the world. You only need to click on the LENVII software on your device and log in. The first step is to set up and connect the printer for the cash register paper. Then establish your product category, for example, if the product you are selling is clothing. You need to add variations of the product, such as adding its color classification or size. You can also set the tax rate in your country, and set discounts for VIP customers. If you receive assistance or technical support during your use, please contact us via email, WeChat, or WhatsApp. Throughout your entire usage process, our LENVII after-sales team will follow you like a nanny, addressing your pain points and providing the most suitable solutions for your business, development or expansion. LENVII, branding as a service. Thank you for your trust and choice. Wishing you a prosperous business and happy every day.